I would like to welcome all of you to the Advancing Healthcare Innovation Summit 2021. This summit is actually the inaugural summit that presented to you by Innovative Healthcare Institute. It's going to serve as a platform for stakeholders in healthcare innovation to network together, share ideas and knowledge, and then collaborate, hopefully, to bring monumental changes that improve the healthcare delivery and reduce disparities. And that will be also an opportunity for junior innovators to rub shoulders with leaders in innovation, some kind of mentoring, and hopefully an opportunity to collaborate. I cannot really thank enough our scientific committee, especially my co-chair, Dr. Bill Barrett, who is the co-director of the UC Cancer Center, and the medical director of UC Barrett Cancer Center. And we have very distinguished world-class experts, Tom Herzog, who is a professor of OB/GYN, especially gynecology oncology, Dr. Jazieh who is the head of IARC lab and biobank for WHO. And then, of course, Tim Schroeder. I know many of you know Tim. He established one of the leading CRO in the world, CTI. And actually, this year they won the best award of best CRO worldwide in the quality of the research that was done. So congratulations to Tim. And he is kindly going to lead the second day of the meeting. This kind of work would not have been done without the great work of the organizing team. So please thank them all for their hard work and their dedication to bring this to you. The summit component is rich. Actually, there is the scientific agenda that will be run in this platform here in this the auditorium here, and for those who are sharing or joining us virtually, you'll be seeing it on this platform. The innovation theater will be run in the Fountain Square. And for the virtual audience, you will not be seeing the component of this till after the meeting, so it will be put on demand for you afterwards. We have selected abstracts for oral presentation and virtual posters, and then exhibits for our sponsors and supporters. We have an ample breaks for networking and interaction. So if you see the scientific agenda is very rich with top-notch experts, actually 2 sessions in the morning, and then the featured speaker by Senator Rob Portman will be at 10 o'clock. Then there will be breaks in between. In the afternoon, there will be 2 sessions also, and then again an hour of break to interact, see the innovation theater, see the exhibits, and so on. The Innovation Theater is brought to you by the Innovation Express, and it has different innovators, companies, and so on. They're presenting 10-minute short presentation. Again, it will be put in the platform for people who did not see it live to watch it afterwards. So many thanks to our supporters, especially NKU. They have a beautiful Institute for Health Innovation that all of you will have a card to visit, to schedule a visit for that site. BMS, MatchMD, Tempus, Guardant, ASI, and Insight. And our long list of collaborators, including CTI, NKU, Cincinnati Innovation District, Cincinnati Visitor Bureau, Children's Hospital, and others. Please mark your calendar for 22 Summit in August 26 and 27. And also help us make the future experience better by giving us feedback. And we'll be mailing the certificate by email to all attendees. Finally, I would like to thank again all the faculty, the staff, participants, collaborators, and supporters. And I will turn the microphone to my friend Bill, who is going to welcome you and lead the first session.
Thanks. All right. Abdul, thank you so much for organizing such a fantastic conference. The speakers today are just a fantastic slate, and particularly to our students. You know, we're all students of innovation, and you guys are the future. And we're hoping that you'll be inspired today. You know, really one of the great assets of the world is human innovation. It's in our DNA. It's remarkable when you think about how far we've come. Only in the last 80 years, after all these eons, only in the last 80 years can you cross the world in a day. It's amazing. The Wright brothers to on the moon in 60 years, that's absolutely amazing. But we always want more, and that's great. We got into the air, we wanted to go to space. We got to space, we wanted to go to the moon. We got to the moon, we want to go to Mars. When we get to Mars, we want to go to Saturn. When we get to Saturn, we want to go to other galaxies. And so it's in our DNA, and the spirit of innovation is what you're going to hear all about today. And I'm very, very excited for what we're going to learn today. It's my great pleasure to introduce Mike Venerable. And Mike has had a huge impact on our city over the last 20 years. Cincy Tech has been really the catalyst for so many fantastic ideas that have led to fruition. And over these years, more than $60 million has gone towards 80 new projects that have been successful. And Mike has such a great perspective on what works, what doesn't work, of hearing people's ideas over the years, nurturing those ideas, and so many of them leading to successful ventures. Mike, so glad you're here. Thank you.